Hi everyone, let's continue our lessons today. We are going to learn skill 6. It is about adverb clause connectors. Let's check it out. Sentences with adverb clauses have two basic patterns in English. The first is subject-verb connector subject-verb. The second is connector subject-verb, subject-verb. Kalimat-kalimat dengan klausa keterangan mempunyai dua pola dasar dalam bahasa Inggris. Yang pertama adalah subject-verb, connector atau kata hubung, diikuti oleh subject-verb. Yang kedua adalah connector atau kata hubung, subject-verb, diikuti oleh subject-verb. For example, he stays in Jogja because he studies in Jogja. Here's the subject, and then stays as the verb, because as the connector, here's the subject, studies as the verb. Or, because he studies in Jogja, he stays in Jogja. Because as the connector, here's the subject, studies as the verb, kemudian koma, here's the subject, and then stays as the verb. Next, we are going to learn about adverbial clause of time atau klausa keterangan waktu. Dengan ciri-ciri connector sebagai berikut: after, before, as, since, until, when, whenever. For examples, he always knocks the door before he comes to the house. Here's the subject, knocks as the verb, before is the connector, here's the subject, comes as the verb. Next, before he comes to the house, he always knocks the door. Before is the connector, here's the subject, comes as the verb, kemudian di sini ada koma, here's the subject, knocks as the verb. Next, she often smiles when she meets her friends. She as the subject, smiles as the verb, when as the connector, she as the subject, meets as the verb. Or, when she meets her friends, she often smiles. When as the connector, she as the subject, meets as the verb, kemudian koma, she as the subject, smiles as the verb. Perhatikan, di sini menggunakan pola subject verb, connector subject verb atau connector subject verb, kemudian koma subject verb. Now we are going to learn adverbial clause of cause atau klausa keterangan sebab. Dengan connectors atau kata hubung berikut ini, because, since, for, dan as. Di sini since dan for dan juga as mempunyai makna yang sama, yaitu because. Berikut ini adalah contoh dari adverbial clause of cause dalam kalimat: since I know her, I believe her. Since as the connector, I as the subject, know as the verb, kemudian koma, I as the subject, believe as the verb. Or, I believe her since I know her. I as the subject, believe as the verb, since as the connector, I as the subject, know as the verb. Maknanya, saya percaya padanya karena saya mengenalnya. Next, for I want to know about the scholarship, I browse the internet a lot. Di sini, for as the connector, I as the subject, wants as the verb, kemudian koma, I as the subject, browse as the verb. Or we can say I browse the internet a lot, for I want to know about the scholarship. I is the subject, browse as the verb. Kemudian di sini for the connector, I is the subject, and then wants as the verb. Maknanya, saya browsing internet banyak-banyak karena saya ingin tahu tentang beasiswa. Berikutnya adalah adverbial clause of condition atau klausa keterangan kondisi. For example, dengan kata hubung if atau whether, misalkan dalam kalimat, if you don't understand the lessons, you can ask your teacher. If as the connector, use the subject, don't understand as the verb. Kemudian di sini ada koma, use the subject, and then can ask as the verb. Dengan kata lain, you can ask your teacher if you don't understand the lessons. Use the subject, can ask as the verb. Kemudian di sini ada koma, connector, kemudian you as the subject, and then don't understand as the verb. Maknanya, kamu bisa bertanya pada gurumu kalau kamu tidak mengerti pelajarannya. Next, I don't know whether the exam is on Monday or Tuesday. Di sini, I is the subject, don't know as the verb, whether as the connector, the exam as the subject, and then is as the verb. Or we can say, whether the exam is on Monday or Tuesday, I don't know. Whether as the connector, the exam as the subject, and then is as the verb. Kemudian di sini ada koma, I is the subject, don't know as the verb. Maknanya, apakah ujiannya itu pada hari Senin atau Selasa, saya tidak tahu. Oke, kita menggunakan whether yang artinya sama dengan if. Sebenarnya yang di sini bisa juga kita mengatakan whether you don't understand the lesson, you can ask your teacher, or you can ask your teacher whether you don't understand the lesson. But mostly kita menggunakan whether dengan pilihan yaitu whether dan or. Next, adverbial clause of contrast atau klausa keterangan kontras. Dengan connector sebagai berikut, though, although, even though, dan while. Here are the examples of the sentences with adverbial clause of contrast. Berikut ini adalah kalimat yang menggunakan klausa keterangan kontras. For example, even though she is popular, she is low profile. Even though as the connector, she as the subject, is as the verb. Kemudian di sini ada koma, she as the subject, is as the verb. Maknanya, meskipun dia terkenal, dia rendah hati. Dengan kata lain, kita bisa mengatakan she is low profile even though she is popular. The next example, men usually think rationally while women think emotionally. Men as the subject, kemudian think as the verb, while as the connector, women as the subject, and then think as the verb. Maknanya, laki-laki biasanya berpikir secara rasional, sedangkan perempuan berpikir secara emosional. Now it is time to practice. Choose the correct answer. Blah 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 is a dessert Many plants bloom there in the springtime. Oke, yang manakah jawaban yang tepat? Kita lihat di sini ada verb, kemudian di sini ada koma, di sini ada subjek dan ada verb. Mestinya di sini adalah connector dan subjek. Remember the patterns? Connector, subject, verb, kemudian koma, subject, verb. So, what do you think is the best answer? Yes, you are right. The correct answer is C. Although as the connector, the area is the subject. Part B, choose the incorrect words or phrase and correct it. Pilih kata atau frase yang tidak benar dan benarkan. If you plan carefully before you take a trip, we'll have a much better time. Kalimat ini sudah ada connectornya yaitu if, kemudian you as the subject, plan as the verb. Oke, kemudian di sini ada koma. Kemudian di sini setelah koma langsung verb. Mestinya sebelum verb di sini adalah subjeknya. Oke, jadi D is the answer. Harusnya adalah you'll have a much better time. Oke. Thank you for watching. I hope it is helpful and you can understand it. Keep practicing because practice makes perfect, and see you next time.